Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to remove the two helium sensors and replace them with plugs. First thing you want to do is you want to remove the oxygen sensor block, as it is resting on top of the two helium sensors which you'll be removing. So you just undo the two screws and remove the helium sensor block. Then you take the same screwdriver and remove the two screws holding down the helium sensors. Then you want to take the helium sensors and you want to firmly tug on them upwards. So once you remove your helium sensor, you want to take out the screw and you want to take the helium sensor plug. Please grease the O-rings on this plug with Krytox, as it will be coming into contact with pure oxygen. Then you just replace it, put it back in, take the screw and put it back together. Now, you can take your oxygen sensor block and put it back in. And screw it back into place. Now that you've done that, you want to say to the unit that you have disabled both helium sensors. So you go to main menu, you go to setup, you go to faulty sensors, there you select helium sensors and you select both as disabled.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.